Hello everyone, so let's make a bird flyer game using your sound. So firstly I will add a new sprite. So I am just taking a bird. So I will search the bird and here's the parrot, so I will take that. So I will put set to coordinate to 0 y and 0 x. So it will be in center, so its size is greater, so I will decrease it to 50. So now its size has been got small. So now I will go to the events and pick when flag clicked. So after that I will go to the control and pick forever. After that I will go to the sensing and pick the loudness. After that, I have to go to the motion and choose the option glide. Glide dash seconds to X and Y coordinate. So I will set it glide 0 second to X is 0 and Y axis is equal to loudness. So if I will speak anything, it will go up, and if I will be quiet, then it will be at the 0 coordinate. So let's test it. Hello. So now it's going up. If I will be quiet after a few moments, so it will not move. You have seen that it was not moving. So means it is working. The project had been made. And if we want that it look good, so we can do a more thing. We could add a good backdrop. For example, I'm choosing the blue sky because it's a bird and it fly in the sky. So now let's test it again. So I was quiet, so it was very down, but there is a little noise, so it was not exact as 0. So, but how much we will speak, it will go up and down according to that. So we had made the bird flyer game, and we had made it in less than 3 minutes. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like the video.